Hello once again. My name is Nefertari May, and today we are going to have our Bible quiz again, this time for Genesis chapters 10 to 12. Now, if you have not read the Bible, chapters 10 to 12 of Genesis, please pause the video and read the Bible before we proceed. So now, if you are ready, let us go to our quiz. Number 1. Who is the first recorded great conqueror of the world? A. Egypt. B. Canaan or Canaan. C. Cush or D. Nimrod. In Bisaya, kinsa man to pinakauna nga na-record nga nagsakop sa kalibutan? Letter A, si Egypt. Letter B, si Canaan. Letter C, si Cush. Or letter D, si Nimrod. Number 2. In the list of cities that first great conqueror had either built or conquered, which does not belong? A. Crete. B. Nineveh. C. Assyria. D. Babylon. In Bisaya, katong sa listahan sa mga cities, sa mga syudad nga gibuhat or gi-conquer, gisakop sa atong first ever recorded conqueror in the Bible, asa ani ang wala sa iyahang nasakop or na-build? Letter A, Crete. Letter B, Nineveh. Letter C, Assyria. Or letter D, Babylon. Number 3. Who is the ancestor of all Hebrews? A, Shem. B, Ham. C, Japhet. Letter D, Cush. Kinsa man ang amahan sa tanan ng mga Hebrehanon? Letter A, si Shem. Letter B, si Ham. Letter C, si Japhet. Or letter D, si Cush. Number 4. What is the meaning of Babylon? A, because they built a tower. B, because it is the place the Lord mixed the people's language. Letter C, because it was built through unity. Letter D, because the people declared themselves great. Unsa man ang buot pasibot sa Babylonia? Letter A, tungod kay naghimo silang tore. Letter B, tungod kay moning lugar nga gihalo-halo sa Ginoo ang sinultian sa mga tao. Letter C, tungod kay diri nagkahiusa ang mga tao. Letter D, tungod kay diri gideklara sa mga tao nga sila maayo. Number 5. Who is the ancestor of Abram? Letter A, Shem. B, Ham. C, Japhet. D, Cush. In Bisaya, kinsa man ang ninuno ni Abraham or ni Abram? Letter A, si Shem. Letter B, si Ham. Letter C, si Japhet. Or letter D, si Cush. Number 6. What is the relationship of Abram and Lot? A, cousins. B, brothers. C, uncle and nephew. Letter D, grandfather and grandson. In Bisaya, unsa may relasyon ni Abram og ni Lot sa pagkaparyente? Letter A, pinsan. Letter B, magsuon. Letter C, uncle og pagumangkon. Letter D, lolo og apo. Number 7. How old was Abram when he left Haran to go to the promised land of Canaan? A, 70. B, 75. C, 80. Letter D, 85. Unsa may edad ni Abram katong nihawa siya gikan sa Haran para moadto sa Kanaan? Letter A, 70 years old. Letter B, 75 years old. Letter C, 80 years old. Or letter D, 85 years old. Number 8. Where did Abram build an altar for the Lord after leaving Haran? Choose the best answer. Letter A, in the land of Canaan. Letter B, the holy place of Shechem. C, the sacred tree of Mamre. Or letter D, all choices are correct and part of the answer. In Bisaya, asa man gitukod ni Abram ang altar para sa Ginoo katong nihawa siya gikan sa Haran? O, piliya ang pinakamaayo nga tubag. Letter A, sa yuta sa Kanaan. Letter B, sa balaan nga syudad or balaan nga lugar sa Shechem. Letter C, ang balaan nga puno sa Mamre. Or letter D, tanan nga answer nga akong gimension parte sa isa ka sa tinubagan or sa answer. Number 9. What was the reason Abram traveled all the way to Egypt instead of going directly to the promised land? A. Because he wanted to enjoy sights. B. Because they needed something from Egypt. C. Because they needed to buy some supplies. Or because there was famine in the land. In Bisaya, unsa may rason nga nung niagi pa man silang Egypt instead of mudiretso sila sa Kanaan, sila ni Abram? A. Tungod kay ganahan sila mag-sightseeing, magtanaw-tanaw sa ilang giagian. Or letter B, tungod kay naa sila kinahanglan dito sa Egypt. Letter C, tungod na sila gusto kailangan paliton nga mga kailangan dadoonon nila. Letter D, tungod kay na ay famine or pagkagutom sa kayutaan. Number 10. Why did Abram ask his wife to say that they were siblings, not spouse, when they were in Egypt? A. Because Sarai was beautiful and he feared for his life. B. Because he does not want to be known as a married man. C. Because he just wants to remain unknown. D. Because Sarai was his real sister. In Bisaya, ngano daw si Abram, iyahang giingnan niyang asawa nga si Sarai nga ingna igsuon rata katong niagi sila sa Egypt. A. Tungod kay gwapa si Sarai og nahadlok siya para sa iyang kinabuhi. Letter B. Tungod kay dili niya gusto mailhan nga siya minyo na. Letter C. Tungod kay gusto niya nga dili lang mailhan. Letter D. Tungod kay si Sarah iyahang igsuon. And now, let us go to the answers for our quiz for chapters 10 to 12. Number 1. Who is the first recorded great conqueror of the world? The answer is letter D, Nimrod. Number 2. In the list of cities that the first great conqueror has either built or conquered, which does not belong? Asa man ang wala nasakop? The answer is letter A, Crete. Number 3. Who is the ancestor of all Hebrews? A. Shem. Siya ang tubag. Number 4. What is the meaning of Babylon? Ang meaning sa Babylon, if you don't know what it is, it's because it's the place that the Lord makes people's language. Dito nag-cause of confusion ang Ginoo kay tungod nagkayo usang mga tao, they wanted to boast nga kaya nila abuton ng langit. Number 5. Who is the ancestor of Abram? Asa man gikan na lahi si Abraham? It's letter A, kay Shem. Number 6. What is the relationship of Abram and Lot? Unsa inunsahay man si Abraham og si Lot, or si Abram and si Lot? Ang tubag is uncle and nephew. Number 7. How old was Abram when he left Haran to go to the promised land of Canaan? The answer is letter B, 75 years old siya katong nihawa siya from Haran. Number 8, where did Abram build an altar for the Lord after leaving Haran? Kani best answer ni siya. So the answer is all the choices are correct and part of the one answer. Number 9, what was the reason Abram traveled all the way to Egypt instead of going directly to the promised land? The answer is letter D, because there was famine in the land. And remember na ay Great Nile River sa Egypt. Therefore, it was plentiful in Egypt compared to the rest of the land. Mo nang niagi sila dito kay maabunda man dito. Number 10. Why did Abram ask his wife to say that they were siblings, not spouse, when they were in Egypt? The answer is because kay gwapa kay si Sarah. Og nahadlok siya nga patsyon siya kay kwaon niyang asawa. And that is the Bible quiz for chapters 10 to chapters 12 of the Genesis. I hope you had fun as much as I did. And thank you for joining me today. Next, we are going to have Genesis chapter 13 all the way to 15. Happy Sabbath, everyone, and I will see you again next week. Goodbye.